Hey guys, how you all doing? So I just wanted to quick show you an update on the Rollinia. We had a below freezing temperature for just a little bit for about 1 or 2 nights, and actually at the mornings dropped below freezing. And this is what happened with the Rollinia tree. This was full of leaves a couple of days ago, and look at it now. So it dropped almost all its leaves, and you see it kind of just yellowed. And what's very interesting, I want to show you really quick, that I did not realize that actually there was a fruit growing. I never realized it. Check it out. On a good note, a couple of days ago I didn't see this growth, but you can see the new growth coming out. So that tells me that it's kind of like also like sugar apple, that even though it drops below, or sour sap, mealybugs, you can see that it pushes back. So it's pushing out. So it's a good news. You know, it did lost almost all the leaves, but no problem, because you can see the new growth. So if you have a Rollinia, I'm at zone 9B and close to the 10A border, and I do have a little bit of microclimate going, so other trees definitely protecting this one somewhat. You have a chance to have Rollinia. Do you grow a Rollinia? And if you grow it, in which zone are you at? And how is your Rollinia doing? See you guys later. Have a great day.